Hey guys, hope you're well. It's Silverback here with another video. I just wanted to go through just a wrap up of the last 5 days. We just got a new 5-day period started. This is 8 hours ago, so we're 8 hours into this 5-day period, and pretty much everything has gone really well. I was running a bot that was mirroring my trades, and that closed out at 10% profit. Those parameters are still running for a few people, which is really handy too, because people that got in after me that copied my bot, their bot hasn't closed out, so you have to manually close it or wait till it hits 10%. Mine actually did, because obviously I started it early. I'll put out another bot today, in fact, and this is probably the purpose of today's video. Really is just to focus on that. There's no changes to all the picks that I made 5 days ago. They've all done well. We've made I think it worked out to be 10% profit in 9 days. So just on spot trading. So it's not going too bad. It's actually made me think in some of the ways that I'm predicting some of these candles, how they progress, and when I know that there's indecision with the wicks down below. I can really narrow down on some shorter term leverage trades, and I can actually put how many days time frame on it as well. So it's just an idea that I'm playing around with. Chuck something in the comments if that's of interest to you. I often get asked about people that are using leverage on just short term plays. And can my data be used? And the answer is yes. And actually now I looked at it for someone else the other day, a couple of times actually, and it's turned out quite well. And they've been sort of coming back and asking me, what's your next pick? What's your next pick? Because sometimes something emerges as I go through the charts. But anyway, without going through the charts, I already did this 5 days ago, so nothing's changed. So for today, I just wanted to get into the bot that I've been talking about. That is mirroring my trades, and that is of course Pionex. So I think I put in I withdrew a little bit out of it, but I basically got my total amount in here. Oh, here it is. It actually automatically sold all my assets back to one. So I've now got to move. I've got to fund the bot with the same portfolio basically, and I've noticed that. The market since 8 hours ago, it's actually a lot of the stuff's already pumped, so I'm sort of kind of missing the boat by standing aside here. So I want to get this bot happening and share the code for people so they can get that happening for the next 5 days. I'm to do a quick snapshot through it. Nothing's changed because none of my stop losses have been hit. Let me have a look at the log. No, there's nothing there that's stopping out. No, that's breaking out to the upside, and BNB is breaking up to the outside. Yeah, so everything's all the same. All right, I'll get into the what is this alert that's showing here? One to look at L1X. I don't want to look at. Just mark as red. There you go. Sorry. Yeah, I worked it out. There you go. All right, so get off that screen. Let me see. So let me go to. I'm gonna have to set this up so that. Let's close some of these screens. Do this. How am I going to do this? I'll just basically I'll go by here, and then I can basically start the trading bot. So this is actually from start to finish exactly how you start a trading bot. If I can do it in under 10 minutes, I reckon I can do it probably. This will be a test, but I'll see if I can get it done. All right. So we need to go to. You guys just follow the link. You don't really need to know how to do this. But if you want to pick your own coins, you will need to know how to do this. You go Trading Bot. You go to Trading Bot over here, and then you go down to where it says Rebalancing Bot. You go Create. People have done an index, but they're the earlier influencers. You will not be able to do that because they've closed it off. I've already spoken to customer service, but that's okay. But if you do a bot, you can share it with other people too. So what I want to do is I want to go customize bot, and I want to go 100% of what I got in there. There you go. Come here. I'll just make it an even amount. Actually, I'll compound it all. Come on. What are you doing? So there it is there, and then I go create. Oh yeah, so set trigger price. No, this is spot trading, customized. Oh yeah, okay, so I've got to add new coins. Okay, here's where I add new coins. So I want, I better do it in order so I don't miss anything. So I want ETH. I want USD to be a factor in there too. Cardano, which is, what's AVX, isn't it? AVAX, which is here too. How many coins are there? There's so much selection here. AVAX. Bitcoin Cash. Binance. BNB. That's Binance. Bitcoin. Oh yeah, BTC. Hang on. Wait. Binance. Did I miss it? Oh, I clicked it already before I started. Yeah, okay. So Bitcoin's in there. Dogecoin is next. Dogecoin. CD. Sorry, this is probably boring. Doge. I'll pause for a sec and I'll continue through. Okay, just resuming back after having skipped ahead. So I've got the 20 coins in there. So now, if you need to know which 20 coins they are, go back to the previous video or the previous blog. There'll be links below if you're watching this on YouTube, and you'll be able to see. Just go to my last article or video or blog, and all the pics are there. Nothing's changed, so we're continuing on with this trend that started. So now I've put all those in, and now confirm all those coins, and in actual fact, because there's no extra allocation or less allocation, all these assets that I'm tracking, which is the top 19 cryptos and plus USDs, which makes 20. That's why there's 20 coins. You just allocate them all 5% each. And then as far as the settings on the bot, if you're doing it yourself, you don't have to worry about trigger price. You just basically go take profit percentage. I'm just going to do 10% here for you guys. So I'm setting your parameters. Take 10%. Stop. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go 5%. 5% take profit. I've just got to read this properly because they've got some pretty good fine print here. I'll put 5%. Negative 5% would be the minimum loss, maximum loss. This worked out well last time. I'll just leave that at 10, and then I'll slippage control is fine. Recommended settings, automatic rebalancing. Last time I did it was periodic, and then you can set your balancing period. What does this say? The proportion of each coins will be changed as the coin price goes up and down. The bot will have to sell the coin that increasing faster or decreasing lower, and buy other coins to maintain the proportions. When rebalancing periodically, the bot will check the proportion and rebalance after a fixed interval. When rebalancing by threshold, the bot will rebalance only when one of the coins of the portfolios crosses outside the bounds of their desired location. You know what? I don't want that to do that at all. So that's a total take profit. Yeah, let's. I don't really want that to do that at all, because if it hits the 10%, it'll sell all back to USD anyway. So I don't care what the split is. It hits it, and then I can come in here and I can trigger or adjust the assets to sell off anything that's not as we go. So take profit, no time frame, nice. Take profit at 10%, stop loss at 5. All right, we'll try that. All right, go create, and away we go. We have one bot running. Okay, so it's basically setting it all up. And then I'll chuck a link in wherever you're viewing this. Okay, so there we go. We've got a running total here. I can see details are here. Okay, profit loss chart, brand new bot. Away we go. And then what I've got to do is go to share profit link. I'll copy that link and I'll share that in the description of the video. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. That was it for today, and pretty bit of a short one, but if you want to get into this bot, go ahead and do your own, or just I'll leave a link to my one in the description under the video. And no changes on this report, and we'll see you in 5 days time, and hopefully with more good news. Take care, bye.